Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sourdough ciabatta. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today, I'm going to show you However, to make the sourdough ciabatta, you need a sourdough starter. If you want to know more about the sourdough starter, go and watch the multigrain sourdough bread. So to make the dough, I'm going to combine the water, the sourdough starter, and mix that up for like 30 seconds. And then I'm going to add in the other ingredients. Here is sugar, salt, yeast, whole wheat flour, and all-purpose flour. I'm going to mix these ingredients together to get a semi-soft dough. So I'm going to take the dough now and place it in a bowl greased with oil. Cover that and allow that dough to double in size. Now that the dough has doubled in size, the next step is to divide the dough equally. Take those two doughs now and place them on a cloth with cornmeal. Cover them and allow those two doughs to double in size. The next thing to do now is to bake them. What I'll be doing is rolling the doughs onto a sheet tray that is greased and dusted with cornmeal, allowing them to rest on the tray for about 10 to 15 minutes, brushing them or spraying them with water, placing them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. And for the first 15 minutes, I will be spraying water into the oven at every 5 minutes intervals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube. If you're seeing this on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.